All right, let's get out of here and track the one that took Dad. Guys, this way.
Sounds like they're moving deeper into the fort.
Then so are we. Oh, God. It's another one of those pods.
Keep him back! What the hell are these things anyway?
Fast as shit, that's what! More of them incoming!
They keep dodging!
Left, left, left!
I see him! I see him!
My advice? Do not touch any more pods.
There! They're all over the place!
I can't believe this shit. We got monsters snatching people, things jumping out of pods.
Yeah, and no idea what the hell's going on.
Glad I'm not the only one. Are you alright?
I think so, but there is a lot of that shit down here.
Can you get back up?
No, you guys calm down, but just watch it.
Oh man, you weren't kidding. Watch your step.
We need to get out of here.
So these pods, they're incubators. We're put in.
And they come out. We need to find my dad, and soon.
Great. Now there's door snot.
Easy.
Let's cut through the snot.
Oh, I think I got some in my mouth.
Oh, how's it taste?
How do you think it tastes?
Bad, probably, right? Because it smells terrible.
And now it's raining. Ah! Wait, what was that?
Over there! That's the one!
Come on, get after it!
More of those goddamn things.
Oh, goodbye!
Is that it? Are we clear?
Think so, yeah. All right, now we're clear. Come on, this way. Oh, shit! Damn it! That's
definition of clear.
Give me a hand with this.
So, we follow this snatcher thing. Then what?
Then we find my dad, Reyna, and everyone else they snatched.
Yeah, okay. But what if it wants us to follow it?
And it's making a big mistake.
Hey, there's a snot bubble up there.
Ew, what's that inside it?
I'll put this to good use. Static must be Dad's radio. Come on, he's got to be close.
Over there!
Head toward that tram station. Let's go.
Right there! Somebody shut that thing up! God damn, that's a lot of them!
They're everywhere!
Watch it!
So fast!
Dad, it's pissed off!
Not so fast now.
They just keep coming!
Ah, shit! All right, that's over. Now let's get to that tram station.
So, whose fort was this? The Cogs?
Well, the COG used it as a field hospital. The actual fort is from way before the COG. Seriously, like Kings and Wizards days.
Kings and...
Wizards.
Hey, listen, I'm trying to give you some enriching historical context here.
Let's see what this does.
What the hell?
JD?
What the hell just happened?
We get upgraded!
Can we downgrade it? Here you go! Hey, drop flank them!
You guys are smarter.
They're not smarter than us. What are you saying?
Okay, that's all of them.
I do not like those guys.
Did they just crawl out of an emergence hole? Hey, guys, get over here.
Huh. What is this? It's not an e-hole. It's like some kind of nest. Oh, shit! Thanks! Come on, through that door.
Great! There's even more of them up here!
Drop the pod for cover!
Across the way!
They're coming around! Look out!
You see that coming, didn't you? That's how it's done. I'd say it's about time we got the hell out of here.
Hey, are we not gonna talk about what happened back there? With the nest? I mean, what the hell was that?
Looked like they were transforming.
Wait, you mean like evolving? But shouldn't that take a lot of time?
Well, some insect juveniles can become drones in days. Hours even.
So, juvies and drones. Juvies and drones of what, though?
I have a feeling we're gonna find out. Graveyard. That's a good omen. Ah, shit! Another nest!
We gotta get a frag in there!
Oh, side!
Jeez, this one's a blast from the past.
Sniper on the left! And you're out!
Right on that nest!
Throwing frag!
Nest!
Throwing frag!
That was close!
Dead! Beautiful thing!
It's over. We're clear.
The new or old definition. Come on, let's get to the tram station. Ah, there we go. Take that.
I need to get inside before this weather gets any worse. There it is again. Marcus's radio.
So it's close. Come on. There!
God damn it! Oh, shit!
Okay, you're a big fella. Easy now.
Oh, that's not good.
Get into cover!
Watch out for the quills!
Two more of them! Ah, damn it! Ah! And you're out!
As if snatchers weren't bad enough. Now we have these pouncer things to worry about?
Yeah, the way this night's going, it's only gonna get worse.
Hey, the longer we wait, the harder that thing's gonna be to track.
All right then. Let's see where this leads. Ah! I'm never gonna get used to that. Okay, here we go. Oh, shit!
Tram's here.
Yeah, well, as long as it still runs, we should be okay.
Well, there we go. At least the tram's still on the tracks.
Oh, come on. Seriously?
Counterweight's dragging. Go. I got this.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah. No. I'm sorry I got your dad mixed up in this. If I had any idea,
No, Kate.
any idea that saving my mom and you may be losing...
Hey, we haven't lost anyone yet.
Can't this thing go any faster?
Not with that counterweight dragging.
Huh, counterweight, huh?
Wait! No!